Welcome to my presentation of the Krebs cycle. It's going to be making energy construction style. Alright, so to start out, we're going to find ourselves nestled deep in the mitochondria, and this is going to be our job site, so it's time to make some energy. Starting off, we see a pyruvate bus of recruit carbons approach. They came from glycolysis and are here to get this job done. Their supervisors, the pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, splits them up in acetyl-CoA groups with a leftover CO2 and NADH molecule. So the first thing these guys are going to get done is they're just going to meet up with the oxaloacetate crew. They get to work with some citrate synthase, and through some deep team bonding, they are now deemed the citrate crew. They've been promoted. So they started out as a 3-carbon group when we saw them come up on the bus. But then they were reduced to a 2-carbon group when they made that CO2 at the beginning of the job site. Now they've grown to a 6-carbon group after adding those 4 carbons from the oxaloacetate group. The more the merrier. So we've gotten a lot done already, but it seems like our guys have a lot of work ahead of them. With a new tool, aconitase, that the big boss has given to them, they've now become the isocitrate job crew. I think that sounds like a promotion to me. Upon discovering some NAD laying around, our guys were given some isocitrate dehydrogenase. They quickly used that and make some NADH. Unfortunately, they have lost a guy, making some more CO2, so they're now down to 5 carbons, and that's just the name of the game, guys. It's just how it rolls on the job site. So after losing a guy, our team is now the alpha-ketoglutarate crew. But don't worry, this long name is not going to last long. More NAD has been located by the guys. They picked up their alpha-ketoglutarase pickaxes and have synthesized some more NADH. Another carbon has been lost, so they are now the succinyl-CoA group. Alright, at the succinyl-CoA job location, the job continues with some succinyl-CoA synthase. The crew makes some GTP and luckily does not lose any more guys. Due to their achievements, they've been promoted to the succinate crew. This is a big deal, guys. That's more energy. Alright. So the group has gotten really good at making all these new products. They've now synthesized some QH2 at the succinate job site with the help of some succinate dehydrogenase. They're now being referred to as a fumarate crew. The big boss even said that they could use that QH2 to make some FADH2. That's more energy. So from this point, our crew's exceptional use of fumarase earns them the new title of the malate crew. They then use some malate dehydrogenase to turn even more NAD into NADH. Their final job on the site is as the oxaloacetate crew. Y'all remember them. They were the crew that we saw at the beginning. Well, our crew has reached the zenith of TCA success and are now able to join the new acetyl-CoA recruits and start the next job. We're starting the cycle all over again. So in review, we can see that our guys made 3 NADH, 1 FADH2, 1 GTP, and 2 CO2 molecules from just 1 pyruvate molecule. However, glucose at the beginning of glycolysis will result in 2 pyruvate molecules. So from 1 molecule of glucose, we will double what the guys made in this round. So it will be 6 NADH, 2 FADH2, 2 GTP, and 4 CO2 molecules. That's crazy. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed my construction version of the TCA cycle, and I hope it helped make it a little bit more simple for you. Thanks for watching.